Hey up YouTube, got some bits to fit to the van today. Not posted a video for a while. I did post an unboxing video of these a week or two back when they actually first arrived, but I have got a set of Transporter HQ replacement rear light clusters, LEDs, sequential indicator lights and stuff like that. So these are going to look snazzy, especially as I've already got like the equivalent on the front, so these are going to look superb. So I'm going to stick these on now, give them a test and see how they go. Right, so whipping these out should be pretty straightforward. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little scroll there and a little scroll there. Undo the screws, the unit comes out, and then there's just a wiring loom, I think. Having done these on other cars, they've always been pretty straightforward, so hopefully it's exactly the same. So we'll take it out, we'll have a look. If there's anything beyond that, then I'll point it out, but this should be a pretty straightforward job. Right, job done. It was just the two screws and the wiring harness. It's also held on this side. There's two like rubber plugs that you just need to sort of work it off. If you slide it that way, they just sort of slide off. It's a bit stiff, but just bit of gentle force, it'll just pop out, undo the harness. Process in reverse to fit. So obviously these are the barn door ones as well. I believe it's exactly the same process if you've got a tailgate as well. So yeah, probably one of the easiest jobs I've done to that van, to be honest with you. So we'll give them a test, see if the lights come on, get the other one done, or probably do the other one first, and then we'll give them a test. Superb. Right, I think they look awesome. Giving them a test, everything's working fine. LEDs look mint, far better than the stock ones. I've got these just in the standard red colour, wanted a bit more of a factory look. I know I've got a sort of silver and black theme, but did want a bit more of a factory look really. indicators, my sequential LED indicators now match my side repeaters, and the headlights as well, so we're all matched up. It's fantastic, so we'll call this a success. Very quick and easy mod. Definitely recommend these lights from Transporter HQ because they look fabulous, and more to come video wise. Now I've got this mod done, I can sort of get a video done of all my exterior mods. I've done one on the interior mods. I'll drop a link in that if you want to see how the conversion went, and sort of talk through the conversion process, different decisions I made, and also I've got a video around costs and things. And I plan to do the same on the outside, the wheels, suspension, all the light upgrades, body kit, etc. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully get that in the next couple of weeks. So if you want to see that, subscribe, get the notifications, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.